Superwow Style. This is Prachi and today I'll be talking about Pantene oil replacement and how I use this product for my colored hair. However, if your hair is not colored but if you're just looking for something that you can condition your hair with or something to tame your frizzy hair, to style your hair, this product has a lot of uses, so just keep watching. So let me start by first talking about the packaging, guys. It comes in a golden tube, which first of all means that it's very easy to pour out the product, and second of all, when you want to squeeze out the last bits, it's actually very easy. And this 180 ml tube costs rupees 150. It's very easily available at your local beauty stores these days. However, if you want to get this online, I'll share a couple of links in the description box below. So I started using this product quite a few months ago, and like you might have noticed on various hauls and hair care videos on my channel, I have talked about this very briefly. Now since you guys have been asking me for a review, I thought let me do a specific review for Pantene oil replacement. I started using this after getting my hair colored in December, when I was looking for something which is quick, effective, and most importantly something that can condition my chemically treated hair. And here's the thing with colored hair, especially the kind of colors that I use, there's a lot of pre-lightening done, a lot of bleaching and all that, and then the colors wash off easily. So basically my hair needs a lot of care, a lot of nourishment, because otherwise it'll get all dry and frizzy and really bad and things like that. While at the same time I can't use most kind of shampoos, conditioners, hair masks, styling products. Most of the things that are good for my hair, I can't use it because then my color will go away. So it's practically one of the toughest combinations to deal with. So usually, people end up spending a lot of money on spas, salons, a lot of time, a lot of effort is actually spent on maintaining this kind of colored hair. However, for me, Pantene oil replacement is the only thing I need, and guys, honestly, I can't tell you how grateful I am for this product, because it's a multi-purpose product. All right, it's something that you can use for conditioning your hair, for nourishing your hair. You can use it for detangling your hair, so you can just apply it on the length of your hair. You can use it every single day actually if you want. So like I just said, guys, Pantene oil replacement is a multi-purpose product, right? So you can use it in various ways. Usually what I like to do is to take about a walnut size amount on my palms, rub it between my palms and apply it like a conditioner to the lengths of my hair. After 30 minutes, I wash it off with my shampoo and that's it. So this is basically how you use it as an oil replacement when you don't want to use your oil. Personally, I have completely stopped using oils because it's non-greasy, it's non-messy, it's so quick. However, on the days when you're in a major rush, you can just leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off. It will still detangle your hair beautifully. And if you want, you can also use it as a no-rinse conditioner. In this case, you just need to take a coin-sized amount, very little bit of the product is required, and that's it. You can also style your hair, blow dry your hair, you can use it on wet hair, dry hair. It's just so convenient. Whatever way works for you, you can use it. And if you ask me, I use it both before washing my hair and after washing my hair, because like I said, my hair needs extra nourishment. Also because it does not make your hair greasy, you can actually step out of your house wearing this. In fact, let me tell you, whenever I go for my Instagram shoots, obviously in the close-up pictures, I want my hair looking soft, shiny, silky, healthy, no visible frizz. I actually apply a little bit of this before I go for my shoots because it just makes my hair look good. No visible chemical damage. There's no chemical damage. If you see, my hair is actually looking good, right? So no chemical damage, pollution damage, the hair color stays intact. So yeah, it just works really well for me. So all in all, to conclude this review, I can just say that this is your one-stop solution for pretty much everything that is related to your hair. All your hair care needs, everything can be taken very well care of by this product, and it's also very convenient, especially when you're traveling and things like that. You just have to take this one thing in your bag and you're just completely sorted. So I would very highly recommend this for anybody who has colored hair, non-colored hair, dry hair, frizzy hair, normal hair, whatever hair, you can completely use this for all kinds of purposes. And yeah, that's about it. So if you have used this product before, share your reviews, share your comments, your experience and how you like to use it in the comment section below. I would love to get some ideas, and I would love to hear from you guys. Also, I would love to get some likes, so don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwow Style for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.